Alright, YouTube, we are out here fishing a rapidly rising river with terrible bait, but we have a special guest.
Hi!
It only took till August to get you out here, huh? We're gonna try and get Amy a big one today. We're not gonna go super long, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna try it. So here we are fishing a cut bank right here, a real shallow one. So stay tuned and we'll let you know if we catch anything. Can't believe there's this much like to this. Oh, that's a fish, baby. Get it. Get it, get it. Reel it down. Reel on it. Reel it, reel it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Hold on. So what you want to do is like
Uh-oh. Oh, it's still there.
reel down on it and then pull. Yeah, he's still on there. Okay. Keep him to the right. So all you got to do is then reel down, reel up all the slack line. There you go. Good job. You gonna hold him?
No.
No.
Do you have gloves?
I do have gloves. Come
I'm
here.
picking him up? No, you pick him up. I just hand him to me.
Okay.
I'm not
Well,
picking
let's
him
go.
up.
We'll bring him over here and we'll stand in front of the camera. I'm picking him up?
I'm not picking him up.
I thought you were.
I want to do it myself. I can do it.
Okay.
Can you just hand it to me? Oh my god! I want to hold it. Can you just hand it to me? Like a baby.
I will hand it to you. You don't have to do it, but you got to make up
Is it
your
going to
mind.
bite me?
No, if you hold it by its belly.
Okay, I'll hold it by its belly. I'll just get dirty. I'll just
hold
get dirty.
it like this. You see how I'm doing this?
Yeah.
With the tail in the belly?
Oh, I'm so scared.
Okay, you got it.
Go, go, go.
Hang on. Hang on.
Okay, take it back.
Hang on. And then you can throw them in the water in a second. Pick him up, babe! I just got the camera.
Should we put it back?
Okay, we tried, but we're gonna put it back.
Was it? All right. Let's put this guy back.
All right. See you later. Well, that was Amy's first fish of the year, and probably only the second one she's ever caught.
I've got two. It was my third one.
Successful day.
That was gross.
All right. What's that?
Does that do pretty good?
Not really. I actually hate it, but
That's all you got?
it's all I got, yeah. All right, guys, we got a special guest out here, Jack.
What's up?
And we are going to try and catch him a big one. Our lights are failing us as usual. but and I forgot the main camera SD card, so we're gonna make the best of it. But anyways, won't be the best footage tonight, but we will try our best. Keep you updated. You fighting? Okay, yeah, you might have a good one on here, dude. Literally last second. All right, well, we don't have any lights to light up Jack's fish here, but hopefully we can. Oh, dude, that's a big one, man. I think so. Yeah, dude, that's a, holy, that's a big one, dude. How about that, dude?
Can't make that up.
Here, I'm gonna get the net for this because we're gonna need it. And this might be a really big one, dude. Oh my gosh, Jack, this thing's big. I think we got you a good one. Oh my gosh, Jack, this is heavy. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, dude. Holy cow, dude.
Dude.
That could be.
Oh my gosh.
That could go 70 pounds. There.
Dude, right in the corner.
Yeah. Here's his hook set, which is perfect. There we go.
I'm gonna start shaking. That's crazy.
That's a monster.
Oh my word.
Yeah, dude, that is a tank right there.
Yo.
Oh my god. Just a hog, dude. I'm gonna measure.
36 inches.
35-inch girth on that fish, dude. 35-inch girth by 52 inches long. That's gonna be up there. Oh, pour some water on just to, this kind of protects the fish. Let's see how much this fish weighs. This thing's gonna be heavy, man. Okay, here I go. Okay. Yeah, don't like that. He's 76 pounds. Nice.
Dude, that
You want? So if you want gloves, let me know. But what I do is I'll put the one hand in his mouth and then put my other hand around his belly and kind of hold him that way.
okay.
It's gonna destroy your shirt, but pick that thing up, dude.
How many you said?
Yeah. So this is Jack's first fish, and it's huge.
This dude is so heavy.
Jack's a big dude too, so it's not like this is a small fish. All right, 75 pounds. Let me get a few more.
I gotta put him down.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
That's crazy.
I'm so mad that my video camera didn't work today. Okay, Jack's putting him back. I would just slowly, don't throw them in, kind of set them in there, and I kind of hang on to them so that they actually go safely back.
Yeah.
Just hold his head in the water. Look at the size of the head on that fish. They'll let you know when they're ready to go. Dude, that is a monster.
That's insane. Alright, there he goes.
All right. What a fish, man.
That's awesome. Thank you.
We set out to get you a big one.
I'd say that one's pretty big.
Mm-hmm. I think we can call it quits there.
Yeah, good one to end on right there.